Hi grade 3s, welcome to your next lesson of Recorder. Today we're going to be looking at piece number 81 in your Recorder Excellence document, which is Winter Goodbye. Make sure you print out the piece that we're doing so that you can always have it in front of you. So that whether power is gone, whether the Wi-Fi has been disconnected because guys are working on the road, whatever the reason is, it doesn't matter. You'll always have the music in front of you. And also, when it comes to me checking to see if you know your piece, you'll also have the music in front of you. So get used to practicing with the music in front of you and not just the video. Because the video will, yes, it will help you get the notes right, but it won't allow you to spend time by yourself practicing. And that's what's important, spending time by yourself practicing. So that means if you have a brother or sister or a twin, make sure they're practicing by themselves and you're practicing by yourselves, okay? And not always with a video, with the sheet music in front of you. People who practice the sheet music tend to be really good musicians rather than those who just practice with a video. So don't forget that. You'll find it on Facts in case you're looking for the document. Alright, so Winter Goodbye. This is obviously a piece where spring is coming and the ice of the wintry season has melted. And so we're happy to see winter go and welcome the slightly increasing warmth of spring that will lead us into the warmth of summer. Anyway, that's besides the point. Let's look at the piece. First thing, we have a 3 and this quarter note. This is not where we start. Don't get fooled. This just means 3-4. It's another way of writing 3-4. 3 and a quarter note underneath. We start from here. So let's start off by reading our rhythm. We have 3 quarter notes, a dotted half note, which obviously gets 3 beats. We have our 8th notes, really important. Those are TTs, all right? Here's another one, TT, breath mark. That just means take a breath there if you want. And over here, you have another dotted half note and another dotted half note. Now over here, you'll see this note on the F, but we haven't put the hashtag over here on the F line. Instead, we've put it right over here. And that's also a thing that people do in music. So instead of writing in the beginning, you can just write it right before the note. So this one is F sharp. It's not just F because the hashtag is behind it. So F sharp, okay? All right, let's read our rhythm. Starting from here. 1, 2, clap and say it with me. Ta, 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 ah, ah, ta, 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 ah, ah, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ah, ah, ta, 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 ah, ah. All right, now it's your turn. In 1, 2, go. All right, so pretty simple rhythm. Let's get to our notes. Let's see if we can do this piece in 5 minutes. It shouldn't even take long. Starting off with our first bar, we have on the 3rd line, which is the middle line, is a B. Yes, the middle line is always a B. So 2 up, 2 down. So we have B, B, A. Let's go for that. 1, 2, 3. Again. Let's go down to that G. So B, B, A, G, hold for 3 beats. Go. The exact same thing in bar 3 and 4. B, B, A, G. So the same thing repeats over here. So let's go from bar 1 till bar 4. 1, 2, 3. Bar 5 and 6, we're going to climb from B to D. So B, C, D. Remember, B, single pinch. C, you put your middle finger there on the 2nd hole. And for D, you just hold a C, but you remove the thumb at the back. That's your D, okay? So B, C, D is a C without the thumb. So let's go for that. B, C, D. 1, 2, 3. Again. Then on bar number 6, we stay on that D and we descend. So D, C, B, C. All right, so that CB moves a bit quick. CB, so TT. I don't want to use the word quick. Think of it, it moves in a different rhythm. So TT, okay? Let's take it from bar 6. 2, 3. All right, D, C, B, C. 1, 2, go. Again. A bit slower. Again. By yourself. Ta, T, T, ta. Go. D, C, B, C. One more time. Let's take it from bar 5. 1, 2, 3. All right, again from bar 5, a bit slower. Go. All right, that's the whole of line 1. Let's put it all together. 1, 2, 3. All right, by yourself. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. T, T, ta. All right, let's take it to line 2. Now we're gonna have A, B, C. Climbing up from A to C. 1, 2, 3. Remember, A is your snake teeth. B, C. You should know that. 1, 2, 3. We stay on that C over there and we go down. C, B, A, B. All right, so let's try that. C, B, A, B. 2, 3. Again. Let's put bar 7 and bar 8. That's the beginning of line 2. 3, go. Again, 3, go. And you can take a quick breath there. Then we go to bar number 9, B, B. So it's the same thing that we have here, except we're not going down to that A, we're going up to the C. So B, B, C, and then hold D for 3 beats. So let's try that. Bar number 9, bar number 10. Up until that dotted half note. So from the breath mark until the dotted half note. 3, go. Again. Let's put bar number 7 up into that dotted half note. 1, 2, 3. Again. Let's finish it off with B, A, F sharp, and then go to G. So remember, for that F sharp, use little air because it's a low note, okay? So remember, F sharp is you hold your G and you skip that hole, put the middle finger and ring finger, those 2 holes down there. All right, so let's go for it. Bar number 11, up until that dotted half note. 1, 2, 3. Again. One more time. Let's put the whole of line number 2 together. Take it from the beginning of line 2. 1, 2, 3. again. Let's put line 1 and line 2 together, and then you do it by yourself. 1, 2, 3. All right. So make sure when you're reaching this bar over here, bar number 6, you have your eyes quickly move, or you're already seeing bar number 7 down over here, okay? Don't be slow, also it'll just sneak up on you. Let's actually do it one more time together, then you by yourself. Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. All right, now by yourself, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. T, T, ta. Next line. T, T. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, one more time, even slower. 2, go. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. T, T. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, grade 3s. So that's how you play Winter Goodbye. A little bit trickier than it looks. So what you really need to do is spend that time practicing with the sheet music in front of you. Go through all the different parts that you find tricky, like moving from the first line to the second line, getting those eighth notes right there, right over here, and moving from a high note all the way down to an F sharp and back up. We have a lot of moving ups, which we call ascensions. We're ascending like a plane ascending into the sky, and descending, going down low, which is going towards the ground, okay? So practice that really well, spend time to master it. And remember, low notes, use little air. All right, grade 3s, have fun practicing, and I'll see you next week for our last piece of the term.